On this video today, I want to show you how you can make affiliate marketing commissions just like this, utilizing Rumble. Now,
if this was such a great opportunity, why isn't he doing this? In this video, what we're going to do today is I'm going to reveal all the reasons why this is a bad video and why you should stay away from Rumble as a way to make money online. If you've considered Rumble, if you've watched this video, make sure you watch this video as I give you an honest assessment and feedback on making money online and making money online with Rumble. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so the premise of this video, it's called Earn Big. $283 per video with Rumble affiliate marketing using other people's videos. Well, first of all, as I mentioned, if this was working out so well, why isn't he doing it? I searched smart money tactics over on Rumble, and as you can see here, this one has 20 followers. This isn't him. He only uploaded one video over 8 months ago. These other ones have 2 followers, 0 followers. So we know that he's not doing this. So we can see that right off the bat that he's not actually doing this. My number one recommendation for most people is do what the gurus are doing and not what they're telling you to do, because most of them aren't doing what they're telling you to do. So that's number one. Number two is don't steal other people's content. One of the worst things that you can do as a content creator or someone trying to make money online is simply stealing other people's content. For most people, when they upload content to YouTube or to the internet, they copyright it. For example, my video is copyrighted. And if someone tries to download my video and upload it to YouTube, I'll get a notification and I can elect to have the video taken down. What most people don't understand is that if my video pops up anywhere on the internet, I could take legal action against that person because a YouTube copyright is still copyrighted material. One of the things that I wanted to look at, and there are multiple examples of people telling you to just don't download stuff blindly, is that you can run into copyright problems. You could be sued. You could be facing legal ramifications simply stealing other people's content. So A, it's unethical just to steal other people's content. B, you could run into legal ramifications if I found out. Now, the chances of someone finding out that you've stolen their content is relatively slow, but why even put yourself in that position? To me, it's not worth your time, energy, and effort to try and steal someone's content just to have to look over your shoulder every single day to make sure you don't have a legal takedown notice or someone's trying to sue you. Now, those are just a few of the problems with this method. We're going to talk about more of them, but understand that you don't just steal other people's content. It's illegal in some instances, it's immoral, it's unethical, and it's a short way of doing business, because eventually you're going to run out of content and you're going to have to either continue to find people to steal from, you're going to have to eventually come up with your own content. It's just problematic from a online business owner standpoint for you to try and steal and make a living by stealing other people's content. But that's problem number 3 or whatever. The other thing that I want to show you is Rumble's market size is a fraction of what YouTube size is. It's a fraction of TikTok and Facebook and everywhere else. And so you're not going to be making that much money. And there's a few reasons why, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But if we look at a website like SimilarWeb, they get 181.5 million visits per month. The average view duration is 3 minutes and 27 seconds, and the visitor usually visits about 3 pages at a time. But if we compare that to YouTube, they get 34.1 billion visits every single month. The average viewer visits 11 pages, almost 12 pages, and they spend 20 minutes on the app. Okay, so we're comparing 181.5 million versus 34 billion. That may not seem like a big difference, but it really is when we're talking about ad revenue, when we're talking about getting views, and we're talking about making money with affiliate marketing. Now let's compare Rumble to TikTok. TikTok gets 2.3 billion views per month, and the average view duration is 3 minutes and 48 seconds, and the average page is 7.72. Again, when you compare that to Rumble, 181.5 million versus 2.3 billion. I'll take my chances with the billion. If we look at Facebook, 17.4 billion, 10 minutes on the website. And with Facebook, you have many more options. You could do Facebook Reels. You can start a Facebook group. You can do Facebook pages. You can see that This isn't even the fourth best option, because if we look at Reddit gets 1.8 billion visits. The average person spends 8 minutes, almost 9 minutes, and 7.72 visitors. So if I were to organize these in a matter of importance, Rumble is going to be at least 7, 8, 9, 10, because it doesn't get that many visitors per month. And when they do get visitors, they don't stay that long. And you have to understand what Rumble really is. Rumble is an alternative website. Okay, some of the things that you find on Rumble are going to be off of mainstream. I mean, that's the easiest way, the simplest way I can put it. Off the beaten path, off mainstream, off mainstream media, off things that are considered normal. What would people consider within the mainstream conscious? It's hard for me to explain exactly what Rumble is and how it's vastly different than YouTube. But there's a huge difference. And the reason why that difference is important is you're not going to find major brands on Rumble promoting Rumble and partnering with Rumble because of the type of content that is prevalent. The type of content that is prevalent is extreme political views. It is, I would say, extreme views in every instance. Okay, that's probably the best way to put it. Extreme views in every instance, and a company like Disney isn't going to want to partner with something that has extreme views. They want to play it safe. They want to further their brand, and that's why they feel comfortable on YouTube. Now, Rumble obviously has a place. They get millions of page views per month. However, brands that are willing to pay a bunch of money aren't going to go over to Rumble because it can disrupt their brand. Okay, that is very, very important. I looked over on a few different websites, and according to the websites, Rumble will pay you anywhere between $3 and $20 per every 1,000 views. I've shown you on my YouTube channel, some of my YouTube videos are getting $60 or $70 per 1,000 views, and that's because of the types of brands that are willing to show up on YouTube. I would not use Rumble as my primary source or a strong way to make money online, simply because there's not as many people on there as you think. The extreme political views, the extreme views that show up on Rumble could make a lot of people uncomfortable. There's a lot of demographics that would not feel safe on Rumble. There's not a lot of major brands that are comfortable running ads, and so that's going to impact the amount of money you can make. There are so many other better opportunities out there. Like I said, YouTube, more people, billions of people more. TikTok, billions of people more. And they're actually going to pay you in order to, they're going to pay you much more when it comes to creating content. And factually speaking, he's not doing it himself. And why? If it's such a great opportunity, it's a great way to add affiliate commissions because he's an affiliate marketer. If it's a great way to make ad revenue because he's a part of the YouTube Partner Program, why isn't he also uploading his videos over there? Most importantly, don't steal. I shouldn't have to say that, but if you want to be successful in business, I'd even feel more comfortable with you recreating videos. So instead of just outright stealing the video from somebody else, if you see a viral video, recreate the video in your own words, in your own language, in your own point of view, and then post it on Rumble and YouTube, of course. But this video is a terrible idea. You are going to struggle to be successful, as I've shown you. If this really worked out, these guys would upload more than just one video and then walk away. If we look at this, for example, this person uploaded most recently a year ago. And if this was really working, they would have continued to upload. So don't do this, okay? There are so many other better ways to be successful online. You can still be successful on YouTube. For example, I've gained probably 80,000 subscribers on YouTube this year. And so YouTube growth is still possible. TikTok growth is still possible. You just need to create unique original content that resonates with the target audience. And don't try and skip steps. Skipping steps is going to lead you absolutely nowhere. I would disregard that original video if you are really serious about making money online. If you're trying to cut corners, you're trying to fast track, you're trying to make easy, quick money, you can try that out, but you're going to struggle and you're going to fail. There's a reason why most of these videos aren't doing anything. For example, if we type in make money online, you're going to see there are some videos that do very well. There's no guarantee that those videos are getting paid, are a part of the partner program. You don't know what their CPMs, like this video right here uploaded a month ago, it has 16,000 views. We can sort by most recent, and you can see that this video uploaded 9 hours ago, 8 views. 9 hours ago, no views. 9 hours ago, 4,000 views. But this is more about Trump. And that brings me to the final point. If you want to be successful on Rumble, you have to know who your target audience is. Your target audience are people that have extreme political views. So if you want to be really successful, create videos targeting that target audience. Create videos talking about Donald Trump. Create videos talking about Joe Biden, because those are the videos that get a bunch of views over on Rumble. If you just type in like Joe Biden, I'm actually probably going to have to block off some of this stuff because of what could pop up. Look, Joe Biden, 549,000 views. And I'm actually going to block this off because these extreme political views are not safe for YouTube. Mitch McConnell, 12,000 views. And if we sort by most recent, you're going to see that there are tons of views. Washington Post calls Joe Biden a liar, 292 views from 55 minutes ago. So if you really want to be successful on Rumble, know your target audience, or people that have extreme political views, create content for those people, and then that's when you're going to monetize. However, realize that major brands aren't going to be comfortable monetizing over on Rumble because of the type of extreme political views that show up. So now that you know that Rumble will not lead to the successes that he claims, watch this video if you are interested in truly starting an online business.